Today I will be teaching on SplashLearn. It's a website. It's great for pre-K through 5th grade. This week's lesson we will be learning about shapes. So it's great. It has a lot of games for preschoolers and kindergartners to learn about shapes. The first one I picked was Find Shapes All Around Us, because really seem to enjoy this one. Once it loads up here, I also would like to show you that I like to use physical manipulative. It helps the children to physically see what they are learning about. This website is great for parents, for teachers, applications. It helps with lesson plans. So as you can see, first of all, we need to clean up the room, so they need to know their shapes. They need to know what a circle, rectangle, triangle are. So we're going to click that and put that right in there. See, this is a demonstration, so it's showing us what we need to do. So let's see. We have a triangle. Where's the triangle go? Very good. How about this? That's a ball. Where does the ball go? Great job. We're doing a good job so far, everyone. Square. Perfect. So again, this is just demonstrating the basic shapes that children need to learn, and with kindergarten, they are learning how small shapes can make big shapes, the shapes that we see around us every day in the world. And they are learning how to identify these shapes. And we're also going to be learning the difference between 2D shapes and 3D shapes. But these games, they seem to really have a lot of fun with them. And they don't realize until afterwards, until we do a worksheet or we get the physical manipulatives they have, that they're actually learning. They're learning all about them. And it helps, I think these games actually help them to remember. It's not just rote memorization, but they're so proud that they're doing it. All right, good job, everyone. So we cleaned up the room by shape. We sorted. The other thing is sorting, sequencing, things like that. So again, this is SplashLearn.com. Again, it's for pre-K through 5th grade. It's got games, worksheets, different lesson plans and topics that you can use with the children. I think it's a great application to use in the classroom.